facing the police every single day.
Do you want me to give you his tag number? I think I have it.
No, I really don't give a shit.
That's very unprofessional talk too.
I know it is. No, I really don't give a shit.
That's not very nice.
You taking out my picture and you tell me it's not nice. And look what you got on your watch, what you got on your chest and you tell me this is not nice. You're a fucking asshole.
That's really not nice language.
This is my freedom.
That's very rude. Oh, also, there's another thing. There was a man here, he cursed me out and flicked me off.
Oh my goodness.
I think that's a violation of the facility rules.
Ooh, I didn't see it. Or can't you read?
Maybe I'm illiterate.
That's what I'm thinking. Why don't you get on your little red scooter, Ian McGuire, and leave?
I'm sorry, sir, what was that?
So why don't you get on your little red scooter, Ian McGuire, and leave? No, I really don't give a shit. So why don't you just leave before I have to call the police? Don't you have a job?
Do I have what?
Obviously you can't hold one down.
Yeah.
Do you ever shut up?
You're the one asking me questions, bud.
Yeah, do you ever shut
Giving
up?
you answers.
He was asked to leave and refused. He was interfering with the performance of some of the employees.
We'll go inside and we'll talk real quick.
Sure.
That's not accurate. He's upset that I took pictures and I wanted to film inside of the building. And he
Okay, well,
wouldn't.
as long as you're exercising your rights, man, I got no problem with it.
He was upsetting some of the customers and he was interfering with the performance of some of the employees.
Awesome.
Not to be able to do their jobs. Mine in particular, I've got better things to do.
Okay. Now, what's he doing?
Just being obnoxious and being rude.
Doing what he's doing now, or?
Oh no, he's being vocal.
Okay. And you guys have asked him to leave?
I did several times.
And then that he's calling police.
No, several people.
Okay, who are they? Who are they?
Well, Stacy's the one you were talking to out here.
Okay, and she left, didn't she? And that was the woman that approached me and asked about my sign, correct?
I believe so, I don't know.
Okay, so how can you say I bothered her?
Where's she at?
I think she might have left.
She left, man. She went home. She approached me and asked me about the sign. You can ask him. It's not illegal for me to conversate with people inside of the building, especially if they approach me. And I challenge him to find someone else in this building I spoke to. Who have I talked to in here?
A lot of people.
Well, where? Who?
They're back in the office.
Well, find them. Bring them out here.
Explain to you.
I'll come. Okay, well, it's not legal.
I know.
So, I'll go tell them that. No problem.
Cool.
I drove past you earlier. You weren't bothering anybody.
Yeah. This guy's making up stories in there on me, dude. Says I'm going around cursing people vulgar, all kind of stuff. I didn't do none of that.
No, you're just, when I saw you, you were just standing.
Yep.
I know you wouldn't go do that because then you know we'd come over here and haggle you about it. So I don't think you would do that at all.
That's correct. In the rooms.
Oh, I get it, Ian. I get it.
Gotcha, dude.
He's not it's causing disturbance to me. So it is. Okay. All right. You can do your thing, man.
All right, man. Y'all have a good day. Thank you. Yep. Are you proud of yourself?
I am. Is your mother proud of you? If he starts interfering with the performance of your duties, let me know.
See, there's actually a Supreme Court decision, Cohen versus California. It deals with.
I'm a lawyer. I don't know if you are, but you know.
It deals with that kind of issue. There was a guy.
Right now, what I'm responsible for is protecting my staff, myself, and that is an inflammatory statement. And you're putting me quite in a bad situation because I am concerned about my safety and that of my staff.
Have I done something to threaten you?
Have a good day.
I just want to read one of the brochures in the office.
I can tell you what, it sure is.
Well, like I said, bud, I just want to look at those brochures in there and just read them. Is that possible? Oh, that's not very nice. Just to cover up a window like that on someone. That's very not nice in there.
I just told him that you can go in and look at it.
They taped a piece of cardboard over the window, and he said he feels very threatened that I may hurt his staff or him.
Okay.
And they were calling the police on me.
Well, we're already here.
Okay.
So
Everyone's okay? They're all safe?
I just told her that she... Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna read that brochure on the counter.
Yeah, as long as you're not causing a disturbance.
See, I was trying to explain to them, like, I think when they put brochures and stuff out on tables, it's for the public to come in and read, right?
That'd be correct. As long as it doesn't require a key card to get in, it's a public building.
Hey, bud, can I come read those brochures?
No.
Why not?
Because
These are the county rules. Number 8.
number 8.
I broke another one?
If that's not insulting language.
What, the sign?
Yep.
Yeah. But for it to be Breeze of Peach, it would have to be verbal and cause a disturbance. He's just exercising his rights at this point. So if he wants to come in and video the pamphlets, whatever you guys have to offer, that's his rights.
Are you Mr. Harrell?
Yes, I am. As a fellow citizen, I am a county worker. I'm happy to help citizens.
Well, you didn't seem that way 10 minutes ago, but hopefully...
Because I was threatened. Because of your sign, son.
How did
Because of your
you?
sign. You know,
I
get a grip. The county. Well, there's a few things that concerned me about you. You're wearing loose clothes and there's bulges there. And this is a concealed carry county and so on. So that tips me right off.
Are you assuming that I'm armed?
I'm not assuming anything, but you could be because this is concealed carry and there's bulges in your under your
Is that
clothes.
illegal if I was and it is concealed carry?
No, you don't. I was just being polite.
Well, thank you, Mr. Harrell.
Okay.
Enjoy your day.
I will.
What's this, a bag of crap? That's a bag of excrement. Hey, bud, man, somebody left this bag of what I think is human excrement on my motorcycle. What? I think this is human excrement.
What are you talking about, human excrement, man?
Like shit.
It's poo-poo?
I think so. It's right on the seat.
It smells like poop.
There's a camera that overlooks my bike over there, dude.
Yeah.
Like a security camera from here.
Did it do any damage to the seat?
No, but I'm not sure if that's a crime or not. I don't know how you just put poo-poo on people's things.
Would you like us to go review all the cameras from the county building to see if somebody put
I think so.
poo-poo on your seat?
Because I think it's probably someone that works here.
That'd be a good guess.
That's a very wrong thing to do to somebody, put poo-poo on their things.
I would agree with that. Especially if someone put poo-poo on my seat, I'd be pretty upset.
Very, right over there, dude, the red scooter. But there's cameras all in this parking lot. Immediately, the security guard served me with this paper, which is a trespass warning. It was signed by this lady, Kelly A. Shoemaker. She is apparently a county administrator.
Trespass warning yet? You're not allowed here.
Oh yeah?
Yep, so leave right now or I'll call sheriff.
Where's the sign? You made a shirt?
I made a shirt, man.
Nice. It's orange, it's highly visible like you said it was, right?
I told you I'd make something nicer.
I didn't didn't see you hold a sign, I saw you wear a sign.
Yeah.
Today, sir. I'm Deputy Rondon. I'm with the Civil Division at the courthouse. I have some paperwork to serve you. It is a court-ordered trespass warning per County Ordinance 2016-27. And it actually has information in here about that ordinance. Basically, you need to leave the property or not come back on the property up there, or else you'll be subject to arrest. Okay?
See, there was already a Supreme Court decision, you know, relating to something like this, and here I am being kicked out of the county building that I helped pay for not disrupting or doing anything wrong, just voicing my opinion. I thought I lived in a free society, man.
According to the paperwork, they didn't see it that way.
Crazy, dude.
I was with you when you were looking at the brochures.
I know. I was just disrupting it up in there.
From my end, not quite. But I guess somebody else felt differently. I wasn't there for a lot of it, though.
There's the law firm. Oh, see, he don't want to be filmed. He don't want people to know his tyranny.
Ready? Good morning, everyone. My name is Mike Wilson. I'll be the special magistrate in this case today. Like I told you guys outside, we're not going to allow any recording in this proceeding unless it's an official recording of it through the court report. So I'd ask you guys to please turn off your cameras.
Well, it's like I asked you in the hallway. Are you a real judge? Is this a real court?
I'm an attorney in the state of
So
Florida.
you can't hold me in contempt, and this is a public place. So I'm going to record you. Thank you.
Okay.
And your name, sir?
I'm Mr. McGuire, ma'am.
Thank you.
If there's no magistrate allows no recording, there can be no recording. I apologize. During the hearing, you can't.
Well, I guess we're all going to be going to jail today then.
Well, nobody's going to be going to jail. If it's your proceeding, it's your appeal. So, I mean, I'm setting the guidelines for this hearing. So if you want to conduct it, we can do that.
Why am I not allowed to record you when you do your duties in public?
Because the proceeding is not going to be recorded by anybody other than a court reporter, because that's an official recording.
And what is the county's interest in that? Is it so it's not documented so people can't know your tyranny?
It's got nothing to do with the county. It's about my...
It has everything to do with the county. You trespassed me from a public place in the county.
Okay.
And you're representing the county.
You understand what I'm saying. If you guys want to proceed with this hearing, we can do so, but you'll need to turn the cameras off.
I have every right to film you, sir.
Okay. Entirely up to you, Mr. McGuire.
I have every right to film you.
So you're not going to shut your camera off?
Like I said, I have every right to film you.
Or are you going to shut your camera off? I could take that as a no. Then at this point, I'm just going to continue this proceeding until Mr. McGuire wants to do something otherwise. All right, thank you. Just going to continue this proceeding until Mr. McGuire wants to do something otherwise.
Hey Sheriff County, this is Sheriff County COPWATCH. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.